Hello friends, in the learning series of Java, we are seeing a lecture 4 and in this lecture we will learn about basic of Java, its syntax and first program. Now some points to remember. First, Java is a case sensitive language like in C and C++. That is capital letters and small letters will be treated different. Java is nearly 100% object-oriented language. Now I have used the word nearly over here. It means that Java is not 100% object-oriented language and I will talk about this in later lectures in videos. In Java, it is not possible to make a function which is not member of any class as we can do in C++. Now moving to our first program. This is our first program. Now remember one rule in Java. Java is an object-oriented language, so everything works here in object-oriented style. So the main function is declared inside a class. This is a class and I've kept the class name as Sahibnur and the function is declared inside the class. This is the function. I've just printed a simple name and in the end you do not have to put a semicolon. Now main step is this prototype will say remain same and it will not change. So most important thing is that you need to understand this program instead of cramming. And starting with public is just an access specifier. So in C++ there were three access specifiers, but in Java there are four: public, protected, private, and default. By default means that if I do not write anything here and simply declare the class name as Cybernor, it will be considered as default. But I am declaring it as public over here. Public class Cybernor. So, but also remember one another thing, that outer class can be public or default only, but inner class can be public, protected, private, or default, but outer class can be public or default. So this is a important point to remember. Public class name is Cybernor. Also, now you just noted one thing, that I've kept the first letter of class name as capital, and this is compulsory also. You can keep it in small letters also, but I will prefer it to keep it in capital letters. Why? Because whenever professionals uh, code do the coding in predefined classes, they always keep the first letter of class name as capital. So that's why if you want to be a professional, so just clear the first letter of class name capital. Moving to main function. Now public is access specifier, so that I've used it public so that it is accessible outside the. So another comes static. Now in C++, static is used when we do not need to create an object of that class and we can call the function without creating its object. So static is working as same here. Void is just acting as a return type. Main is the function name. And remember one thing, the prototype will remain same, it will not change. So string. Now just pause the screen here for 2 minutes and have a look at the whole program and tell me how many words are there whose first letter starts with a capital letter. So just pause the screen and just have a look at the full program. Yes, Sahibnur string system. You can see that string, the first letter of the string starts with the capital letter S. So I have told you the rule. The professionals use it this way. So string is a predefined class. Now comes arguments. Arguments contain the supplied command line arguments as an array of string objects, and we will read about this in further chapter of command line arguments. Now comes system.out.println. Now whenever You must be familiar with C. We used to write print, okay, print F. So we can print anything. Similarly is the way we can, if we want to print anything, we use the statement system.out.println. Now understanding this line is very important. System is again a predefined class. S is a capital letter here. Out is just an object, and println is the function name. Remember in C++, whenever we want to call any function, we just declare first object and then we use dot operator, and then we use to call function name. So this is acting as the same here. System is a class, out is an object, and println is the function name. And we have printed here Sahibno. You can change the statement also and print anything here. And do not forget to put the semicolon. Now whenever this class is closed, do not put the semicolon here. This is the system how it works. Prototype will not change. Now there should be two rules to remember. There should be no space in class name. Example, hello world is hello world is invalid because there is a space in between. But if we use underscore instead of space, it is valid. As you can see, hello underscore world will be valid, but hello world is invalid. Now also second thing to remember, program name should be same as class name. So whenever you will save this program, it should be the same name as class name, that is Sahibnoor. So first letter should also be the cap in caps lock. Now I will show you the how it works. We will use the Eclipse software. You can watch my previous videos how installation of Eclipse software. So I will open it. Press launch. It's opening. Yes. Go to file, new, and Java project. Now project name should be Sahibnoor. I will keep it. You can keep it anything, and just finish. I've kept the Java project name as Sahibnoor. Now just go to SRC, press the control button, right click, and new, create a class over here. Now this is the name of the class. I will show you. This is the name of the class. This is class name is Sahibnoor. So I will just write it Sahibnoor. Sahibnoor or public class Sahibnoor is created. Now I will type the coding over here. You can see the coding. Public class Sahibnoor. Public static void main string args close. Now just press enter. Okay. Now system is a predefined class system dot out dot print ln. You can print anything inside using. So I want to print Sahib Noor Singh. Okay, Sahib Noor will be better. So I just ended my statement with the semicolon. You can see this. I could just change this, and okay, just now how to run this program. Click on Java Sahib Noor. Press the control option. Click, and it will show you the option run as. Press Java app, run on server Java application. Use the second one, Java application. So press OK. Now you can see that it has printed Sahibnoor over here. So if I want to print something else, I can change the statement. My name is Samantha. Okay. So just again and run as no, so this is run as Java application. Okay, my name is Samantha. So you can just print anything if you want. Just if you liked my video, hit the like button and press subscribe. Thanks for watching.